of my major internship projects is a safety project in the body and white department in B15, where I'm putting up visuals so operators won't get injured on the job.
The project that I'm working on right now is a spreadsheet to set up for all the parts, and I'm going in taking pictures and I'm putting the serial numbers on the spreadsheets to organize the car parts.
The spreadsheet that he's working on, set the parts, will make it easier for our skilled trades to reorder parts as needed.
Major internship project that I'm working on currently is counting and sorting parts.
She's auditing all of our containers to see if we can actually add more parts to them. By adding more parts to them, it saves us money.
My major internship projects is working with shop floor management, as in doing Gemba walks and KPI trees, and I also do SWAs, which is standard work audits.
My major internship projects is containing craters, trying to minimize craters, which craters is a paint defect.
Internship taught me how to manage my time and how to be more organized when I'm at a workplace.
Learning more of the parts, how it's made, how it works with bringing the parts to the plant, out the plant.
My advice to them is probably to be prepared for any of the obstacles thrown at you. You know, every day is a different day.
I would say always go in there with an open mind. Like, you may be uncomfortable with something, but it's gonna work out.
Personally, I like for people to be able to take something that we're learning today and be able to apply it today. And I was telling her, make sure that she pays attention to standardization. And considering she's going into nursing and engineering, right, if you can take that thought process and be able to copy and paste it across your career, it would be value added for.
My advice to students that want to join is to do it. It's a good experience, it's fun, you learn a lot you don't already know.